Design AI just got an exciting update. The new Insert Character feature makes it easier than ever to replace or add characters in your images with precision. Whether you're enhancing a scene or creating dynamic character interactions, this tool has you covered. Let's dive in. Accessing the feature. There are two ways to access the Insert Character feature. Click Character on the left side of the screen and select Insert Character. If your image was generated using consistent character, you'll find an Insert Character button below it. Clicking this will open the Insert Character interface automatically. Adding a second character. Let's create an image of two brothers playing soccer together. First, generate an image of one brother playing soccer alone using a prompt. Next, replace the empty space beside him with his brother. Once the image is generated, click Insert Character in the Results panel. Inserting a character. In the Insert Character interface, select the area where you want the new character to appear. Use Lasso, Brush, or Auto Select to mask the area. We recommend the Lasso tool and extending the mask slightly beyond the outline for better results. Choose your character. Either add a new character, upload reference images and train the model, or select an already trained character. Modify the character description, but keep the style details intact. Adjust character actions and scene settings, specifying body movements and positioning. Example: full body shot, kicking a soccer ball, facing right. Click Generate to create the image. Adding a character to a blank area. Use the Lasso tool to define where the new character should be placed. Select your character, describe the action and scene, and click Generate. Once done, download your new image, and that's it. Now you know how to insert a consistent character in Design AI. Try it out and bring your creative scene link in the description.